So cut off the rubber and remove the galvanized with muriatic acid or vinegar. So with an angled hammer, hit the very tip of the material at the far edge of the anvil. Draw it out on the horn, and then fix the horn marks and clean it up on the face. I always think it's a good idea to make sure it's nice and square before you go to round after drawing it out. Some of these are going to be taken to very square and then left squared. To go to round, you basically start by knocking down the corners, going to an octagon, and then knocking down the corners, so forth, so forth. There are lots of ways to bend and form these hooks, so I'm going to go ahead and just show you a couple of them. Good times.